My name is Michele Shermak. I'm a plastic surgeon, and I'm in Baltimore, Maryland.
Can you think of any advantages to having a surgeon do that for you versus an injector or, a med spa in the mall?
Absolutely. I mean, the safety component is real, and we just know the anatomy better. I mean, my knowledge in facial anatomy is not, a weekend cadaver course. I spent years of shock trauma repairing facial fractures. Like, I know where the nerves and the vessels are. I know what the basic anatomy should be and trying to restore proper anatomy. We're trained to deal with complicated situations. So God forbid something happens, you're actually going to get the full care you need. Not that we see that. I think coming in and knowing more, you're going to be less apt to get a complication. So yeah, there's a huge difference between like somebody who is learning weekend coursework. And I think the other issue is individualizing care, because there's not like a lip goal. At least in my practice, there's not. Like, people want different things. And sometimes, like on my social, I'll get these, for lack of a better term, like trolls. I don't even know if they're bots, but they'll be like, well, that lip filler outcome isn't how you should do it. And I'm like, I think it's great. My patient is super happy. Like, you don't have to have a certain kind of lip outcome all the time. Like a 50-year-old woman, a 60-year-old woman does not necessarily want to look like a 20-year-old woman, So you got to individualize the outcomes. And I think kind of understanding how people age and, the basic underlying deficiency and trying to restore that with the filler is something that a weekend course will never teach.
The bots sure don't know either.
Yeah. AI.
The bots. If someone wants to reach out, find out more about you, what's your Instagram and what's your website?
So my Instagram is Michele Shermak, MD. My webpage is Dr. Shermak, SHERMAK.com, which you can click into anything from there. And we're always happy to meet with new patients. And I just love meeting new people and trying to do good work for them.
I know that you do. Thank you, Dr. Shermak.
Thank you so much.
Links to our guest's website and contact info are in your show notes. Follow us on Instagram at wherebeforemeetsafter. If you're a board-certified plastic surgeon and would like to be a guest or a sponsor of the show, go to wherebeforemeetsafter.com for more information. Where Before Meets After is a production of The Axis, the podcast agency for aesthetics. TheAxis.io.